This segment's sponsored by Bamboo Giant.
This is a Crowd for Home Improvement Minute, and today we're in the backyard of a beautiful Bay Area home talking with Brian from Bamboo Giant. Brian, tell us about this project.
Well, our client came to us looking for some privacy, and we have the solution with bamboo.
And why are they in boxes?
Well, the boxes is basically just a different choice versus putting them in ground. We can actually build a custom box and put it above ground.
How do the custom boxes work? What do you do?
Well, we bring all the materials on site. We do all the cutting here. We build everything. We line it with the barrier. We put the dirt in, the plants, and voila, you've got a hedge.
Sounds great. Let's hear what the homeowner has to say.
We were looking for some privacy in our backyard. The bamboo looks beautiful. They've been growing great. We really love it.
Brian, that's great to hear.
At Bamboo Giant, we really strive to make our clients happy.
For more information about bamboo for your backyard, go to bamboogiant.com.